Friends, today I'm going to show that how to see and delete recently visited websites. Friends, to see and delete recently visited website of Chrome browser, it's an easy process, so don't miss anything. Friends, after watching this video, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, first you have to open your internet browser. After that, you have to click on logo at the top right corner. Then my friends will find here manage your Google account. Click on here. Then you have to click on data and privacy. Scroll down my friends and click on my activity. After that you have to scroll down and you have to close the website from here my friends. Just click on the cross sign and it will be deleted my friends, the recently visited websites, right? And if you want to delete bulk of websites together, then you have to come on here my friends at the top and has the filter option by data and product. Just click on here on delete options, just click on drop down sign and you can select your date and time my friends, like last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. If you want, you can select the which time to which time you want to delete the visited website, right, of Chrome browser. So friends, like this, if you want, you can see and delete recently visited website of Chrome browser. Friends, to see and delete recently visited website of Chrome browser, if you face any problem, feel free to ask in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.